Hi, mabuhay! I am Melanie, and thank you for watching this station and being here listening to this station. MJ is a good friend of mine. She is a very passionate mommy, and just like me. So I hope you support this station because she has a lot of ideas for all of you. So I would like to say hello to my family back home. Thank you for always supporting me with the venture that I am doing right now, which is my YouTube channel. So anyways, thank you so much, my dear friends back home in US, all of the people that supporting me and being with me with this journey. Thank you so much. Okay, now I will show you on how to accessorize this basic t-shirt, how it will turn into stylish outfit. So now I have a tip for you. If you're wearing a tight clothes or a tight jeans, tight bottom, make sure to wear a body shaper. I'm wearing my body shaper because I feel bloated today. And yeah, so if you're feeling bloated, make sure to wear a body shaper. And you can tuck it in a little bit, tuck it inside. And ta-da! It's already looking stylish. And you can wear something similar or pair with your bottom. Like I'm wearing jeans, I'm gonna wear a jeans jacket. If you're wearing black pants, you can wear, or black jeans, you can wear something similar like a jacket that is leather. So, or any black jacket that will complement your bottom. So now I will complement my outfit with these jeans that I have, jean jacket, and I add a bead. And to make it more stylish, make sure to grab your fancy belt. Make sure when you style something, it will pair your whole outfit. So this is the first outfit of this t-shirt. So number 2, how I style this t-shirt with this dress that I'm wearing. So how I will turn it into a nice, classy outfit. So all you have to do, if you have a really sexy dress like this and it's so revealing, you can wear a t-shirt on top of it. How I will style it? Just tie it the front, make it like rose looking right there. Number 3, I paired up this t-shirt with this high-waisted skirt. So you can do that. And look, I don't have tummy. It's hiding because of the body shaper. So all you can do is wear a mid skirt. I will show you how long it is. And then I paired it up with sock boots. Thank you so much. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, which is the Content Pairs. Just click the red button there, the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notification of my upcoming videos. I would like to say thank you and congratulations, MJ, for this station. I hope you guys support her as you are supporting me. Thank you so much, and bye!